Okay, this is my lino or vinyl or plastic tile floor. I'm not entirely sure. It was a rental. It's a rental and it's just been done a couple of years ago. And I found after a lot of mopping, because I had a sick cat who constantly peed everywhere, so there was a lot of kind of daily mopping. This is what happened. Little raised bits. So I found I could fix it. What I had to do, because it was like really hard when you press on it when it was raised, and there seems to be dried glue that has raised up somehow. So I had to soften the plastic and scrape it all out. And so I put the heat gun on for 10 seconds, lifted up and scraped it out. And on this particular one, I got out a big chunk, but it wasn't actually enough. You've got to get heaps out, and that's probably the most difficult part about repairing it. And then after you've got all of that dried up glue, you can just put the heat gun on for 15 more seconds to get it quite soft, and it will melt, so you have to be very careful. And then just squash it down using a paint scraper.